In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a display case mesh. I'll create a collection to hide the meshes, and show you how they were built from scratch. There are 3 meshes in total. It's kind of tricky to create a display case material in Blender, because a see-through glass material is difficult to make. I have tried using 2 cubes, and used the second cube with a wireframe modifier to create a frame, but that didn't work well. In edit mode, S to scale, type 2 to edge select, and shift select these 2 edges to extrude upward. Shift select 3 edges in the middle, and Ctrl B to bevel with the mouse wheel up to add more segments. Right-click to shade smooth. This is how I have created a material for the plane. If you're not able to find a teapot mesh in the menu, please activate an add-on called Extra Objects. Ctrl 3 to subdivide, and right-click to shade smooth. The black frame on the cube is an illusion created by a solidify modifier. As I have mentioned previously, I have tried using a wireframe modifier to create a frame, but that didn't work well. In order to avoid this oddness issue, I had to use the solidify modifier. The bottom face of the cube is a second material applied. This is the glass material that I have used. If you don't know how to use the Forest EXR file as the HDRI, please watch a tutorial in the description below. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.